And today I just want to give you guys a really quick update on my Dualtron Ultra. It's been, let me see, I picked it up on the 4th of July. So it's 2 months in. I've done about 854.2 kilometers right now. That's what it says on the odometer. And I also want to show you a really quick brake pad replacement. I also want to see exactly how much brake pad is left after 842 kilometers, and then perhaps then you could judge for yourself. But for anyone out there who's a little bit like me and you just want to just verify for yourself once and for all, I'm going to put like an old brake pad and a new brake pad, a side-by-side comparison. So now on to my quick update. I've decided to remove all the stickers on the deck. I also have a kiddie bar installed. And this is currently my setup for what we call the cockpit. I've got a quad lock there for the mounting of my handphone. The Knight Rider remote is here, and I like to keep this area very nice and clean. Actually, I'm not one to really clutter it up, so the cleaner the better. And then I've got another battery pack mounted for the Knight Rider Pro. And that's basically what I have. Okay, I've got my rear Melan X6 lights, and this is bone stock right now, and probably the last time I will see my e-scooter in this state, because I'm planning to modify it myself. So I'll give you guys another quick update once that is done. Let's start by taking out the so I think in the kit itself you can use the top screw that comes along with the Magura brake set. So let's just remove this. Let me just take them out. Super easy. So as you can see, these are the brake pads that I've been using, and just for comparison, these are the new ones. Let's just have a look side by side. Pretty minimal wear, I would say. Wow. So very minimal. So let's just install them back. So as you can tell, after 854 kilometers, give or take, the brake pads are still holding up very well. And installing it back is just as simple. Just pop these brake pads back into place, like so. Magura is suggesting, if you watch some of the videos, they say to, once you have new pads installed, just remember to bit them in. So once you bit them in, what you have to do is squeeze on the brake lever 30 times in succession from 25 kilometers until it comes to a stop, and that's how you bit in your new brake pads. Torque required is 2.5 Newton meters. So if you have a torque screw, the amount of force required is essentially 2.5 Newton meters. I would say it's almost about perhaps maybe finger tight. Yep. Once it's finger tight, should be good. And that's basically it. And so for anyone out there who is still paranoid about their brake pads and worried about whether you have enough brake pads, I think it can actually last for quite a while. After 854 kilometers, and apparently there's still quite a generous amount of brake pad left. Even I'm shocked. Besides, you know, swapping out brake pads on the Magura MT5s is like so straightforward and easy. I guess anyone anyone with the supplied tool can actually just swap it out. It's got some of the specification here as well. So I believe the MT5s and the MT7s are the same. God, it's so easy to replace brake pads. If only brake pads were that easy to replace on cars. I will do another update when I'm done with modifications on my Ultra. And if you guys found the video useful, in my next competition I am giving away the DIY conversion kit for a mountain bike. If you're interested in winning one, click on the link below. And until the next video, you guys ride safe and take care, and remember to subscribe. Hey, you see this video? Yeah. Installation of gimbal. So yeah, that basically concludes the